So the Climathon is a climate solutions hackathon where we work on talking about the climate crisis and all the environmental problems that we're facing and work in teams to actually develop a solution to it.
This year's challenge is integrating compost in Silver City to manage the organic waste that is produced here.
There are so many opportunities here to expand on the impact that it's having in Silver City, in Grant County, in New Mexico, and actually be an example for the rest of the country and for the rest of the world.
The composting system that we're hoping to come out of the Climathon will help for our food security. That is probably going to be a problem in the future.
Yes, we are. Let me correct you. We were tied for best idea, and I hope you'll give the other group a chance, but we are. As we worked on our project, we all realized, hey, this was becoming something real. This was not a hypothetical idea, not pie in the sky. This was something actually we thought we could accomplish, and that we also thought was crucial for any composting system to be sustainable and successful, defined as widely accepted in the community.
So Silver City is a really unique place that's full of activists and people who care, who are doing incredible work in the field of ecology, ecological restoration, community work, social work. There are so many opportunities here to expand on the impact that it's having in Silver City, in Grant County, in New Mexico, and actually be an example for the rest of the country and for the rest of the world about what a community can actually achieve to address the climate crisis and build solutions to it that we desperately need right now.
So it's really important to give the communities that space to think together, to dream together, and to act together.